So guys, I hope you're doing good. I hope you're fine. So I have a package here I want to unpack. Yeah, I ordered something from Nairobi and I just picked it this morning and I want to unpack. Oh, this lighting is very bad. Anyways, let's unpack this one. Yeah, you can guess what's inside before you start unpacking. Okay, so yeah, I ordered this yesterday. No, I ordered it the day before yesterday. Yeah, one day ago. So it was sent yesterday and I got it today. So let's unpack. Can you guess what's inside? I'm so excited. I want to see what's inside. Even me, I don't know what's inside. To win him Sarah Kovitsa. Yeah. And it's well packed. It has been pinned. I hope you can see. Pins. It has been pinned. So let's remove the pins. Let me just tear it, because removing the pins is another lot of work. It's a lot of work. Yeah. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Let's see what's inside. Yeah. Scrubs. I ordered scrubs, gray and black. Yeah. Wow. And they look good. They look better than I was seeing. They look very nice. Wow. I love them. I'm so excited. But I don't know if I should sell it or I should make them mine. Wow. Because they're so nice. This one is even stretchy. Oh my god. Can't wait to. Oh, wow. Let's fit them. And see. Wow. Very nice. I love them. Oh my god. Very nice. Let's fit the black one. Wow, this is how the other one looks like. But I love this one more. I love the gray one more, because this one is somehow big. So I think I'm gonna sell this one. If you need scrubs, holler me up. Yeah, I'll sell this one. I'm going to sell this one. Yeah, so guys, you've seen I ordered scrubs. I left this one more because it fits me well. It fits me well. Then this one is somehow big. This one, the best. If you need scrubs, I'm selling the black one. Very cheap, at a very cheap price. You can order. Yeah, even this one, it looks somehow good, but it's big, so I prefer the other one. Bye. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, and comment. Let's meet on my next video.